Hi friends, my name is Manisha Priyam. Apart from being a research scholar at LSE, I teach political science at Delhi University. And it's tough, I know. There's Gulab Jamun with us. We're almost dozing off. And this session, as I can see, I'm not sure if they've got the right person in, because I'm here as a very enthusiastic Democrat, but a very weak technocrat, somebody who really shares, if there were amongst us, an apathy towards the technical bedrock that brings to us the promise of an open society, that brings to us the promise of a Gov2 and social media platform. And let me begin by sharing an anecdote with you. Just last year, we were looking at some e-governance good projects around the world to help out the Delhi government with converging its social sector deliveries. Now, we came across somebody, a very intelligent IIT graduate and a PhD from Berkeley, who said, oh, here we've got a new search engine based on Twitter. You won't believe it, just a year ago. And the more he spoke on about his technology and his platform, I had my ears shut. I didn't even give him a full hearing. He realized that I was not even hearing him. And he said, ma'am, whether you like us or you don't, we are a medium that can bring in change. And lo and behold, of course, we were just trying to meet people. We were not into the process of any RFPs or anything. Lo and behold, we could see that the whole medium was becoming a platform for political change and more open society around the world, one government after the other, well-known autocracies around the world who were enmeshed in power because of power blocks around the world, the US and the UK, helping these entrenched political leaders to remain in power. And I could see that somewhere below, a platform for social engagement empowered by the kind of open exchange that social media enables was bringing in political changes. So I could see that my kind of antipathy to technology had put the blinkers on me that had not allowed me to look at platforms, to emerging platforms that could reshape the contours of our political society. And here we are in this session, which is really looking at the key questions of democracy and governance, whether in fact the whole potential and the promise of democracy of allowing rule for the people on a continuous basis, not a one-time vote where you put in a vote on a unit rate basis at one point of time, and after that you do not engage with your own government as citizens, you do not have any notions of accountability, no contract that binds you and your policy maker together, no contract that binds you and your service provider together. And I do understand that there is, looking at the session that we had in the morning, there is a lot of promise and potential in what new medium can offer us. But I also understand that what the new medium can offer us needs to be understood in terms of our questions. When we ask our questions, we also understand that even this new medium could be a one-way talk to the citizens. The Postal Department blog or tweet telling us what they are doing. How does the citizen come back to the service provider? How does the citizen put in a foot into the policy-making process? I think those are the questions that I have from the perspective of a very enthusiastic Democrat. And with these lines, I will invite our first panelist, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. She is a well-known national face. She's a spokesperson of the BJP. But apart from that, I know her as a very intelligent person, somebody who is extremely well-read on many aspects of policy making. And what I find fascinating in her is that I see her understanding and delving on the macro architecture of policies as much as she knows what's gone wrong with policies at the base. And in fact, I understand today that large questions of democracy that pose our country as a challenge are really issues of service delivery deficit, of accountability deficit at the base. And let's look at it that in a sense, if the whole architecture of Indian democracy is to be corrected, perhaps that's the place where social media can be of great use. With these words, I'll invite Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji to share her views, and then we can take on questions because she does have to leave for a regular briefing at the BJP headquarters at 3:30. Nirmala Sitharaman ji.